So the mean free path formula, mean free path formula is lambda equals to C bar divided by root 2 pi sigma square V or C bar n prime. That means 1 upon root 2 pi sigma square n prime. That means 1 upon root 2 pi sigma square n prime means P upon kBt. That means it will be kBt upon P. It is 1 by square root of 2 into pi into sigma is the collision diameter, and that is given here 3.74 into 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, in meter. See, it's square. Now kb means Boltzmann constant is 1.38 into 10 to the power 23. It is our Boltzmann constant. Okay,